Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Are you one of those people who believe that all affordable fabrics and sewing supplies come only from China today? Then this video is going to seriously expand your horizons, because today we're exploring sewing products from North America all the way to Australia. Let me start with these wonderful lingerie making kits from Latvia, produced in local factories. If you've ever tried sewing lingerie from scratch, you know how many different components you need: fabrics, elastics, rings, sliders, and how exhausting it can be to source them all separately. Getting everything to match perfectly in color and size is nearly impossible. That's why kits like these make so much sense for small scale sewing. You pay a little extra for the curation and color matching, but you save hours of frustration. And look at this exquisite quality, sophisticated colors, and that bouncy feel. What else do we have in Europe? There's no shortage of exceptional threads and notions made there. From the well known German brands to my new discoveries like the Taylor's Gold and Barva. If you are into sustainable and eco-friendly sewing, keep an eye on companies like Austrian Lenzing and Dutch Scanfil. I recently found this interesting British Etsy shop that focuses entirely on eco-conscious sewing supplies. For instance, these buttons are made in the UK from Corozo nuts, also called vegetable ivory. The description says, the color of each button may vary slightly as they are a natural product with organic marbling. So much more charming than a batch of identical plastic buttons stamped out by a machine. Just one woman's opinion. Now, look at these Spanish lingerie elastics. Fully traceable product, tested for harmful substances, and absolutely beautiful. This zipper is made in Switzerland using recycled polyester and even recycled brass. I haven't ordered from this store yet, but I definitely plan to. Anyway, this video is not to recommend to you any specific makers, but rather encourage you to do your own research. There is so much outside made in China. I also want to highlight some fabrics and lace trims I picked up while on vacation in Paris. These come from French and Italian makers, and they're absolutely divine. If you ever travel through countries like France, Italy, or Switzerland, it's a great opportunity to shop for high-quality fabrics. Just remember your baggage allowance, because it's hard to stop once you see all that beauty. By the way, some Parisian fabric stores also take online orders and ship internationally, so even if you're not traveling, you can still access their treasures. Now let's move across the globe to Oceania. This delicate lyocell organza traveled to me all the way from Australia, where it's made from eucalyptus fibers. It is translucent, beautifully drapey, and has the most elegant, barely there sheen. From Australia, we jump to Japan, a home of this gorgeous stretchy lace. The quality is just exceptional, strong, resilient, and a pleasure to sew with. I haven't yet shown you the threads I use most often in my workshop. These are from Dual Duty, and as the name suggests, they work for both your sewing machine and overlocker. They are made in Mexico, come in a great range of colors, and are an excellent overlocker thread choice for small-scale sewing. Lately, I've been trying to shop as locally as possible, sewing related or not, and that's how I discovered Core Fabrics, a Canadian website offering a wide range of supplies made in Canada, US, and all over the world. I had no idea Canada makes so much: hardware, elastics, fabrics, kits for tailoring, kits for lingerie making. I haven't ordered from this website yet, but when I do, I'll definitely share a review. For now, this is it. I hope this video inspired you to explore your local sew-and supply market and, whenever possible, to support your fellow makers. Thanks for your time and attention, and I'll see you soon.